recording. Alright, so we're going to replace shingle X. We're going to remove the nails right here in 5, and then 7 and 8, and a little bit of 6. While we're doing it, if we notice any rips or tears, we're gonna write it down over here. We're looking for material transfer. We're looking for tears, creases, granule loss, nail pull through, and delamination. And so we'll mark those and put them over there, and then at the end of the video I'll get close-ups of all those. First thing is alright, there we go. First tear, shingle 5. Alright, so we've also got some material transfer under here. We'll get close up to that towards the end. Gotta break this seal all the way across. Same thing here, material transfer here, here, now I'm going to remove these nails. I gotta do the same thing under here. There, that's the shingle we're replacing though, doesn't matter. Material transfer down on shingle 2. So shingle 2's material transfer. 5's got material and it's here. Thing on 7 and 8. Seven just ripped. Again. Delamination on 5. Just ripped. delamination on 6 and 8. Alright, now I can remove the nails. Still rolling. I got it. So we're at the halfway point. I'm gonna get some close-ups so you can notice the material transfer right here. So that'll be on the underside of 5. We got shingle 2, material transfer on shingle 2, shingle 5. There's the rip. There's a rip in shingle 7. Rip in shingle 7. Material transfer between 7 and 5. Material transfer from 4 to 6. Right there. 4 to 6. 8. We got material transfer right there. 4 to 8. And we got a rip right here. Shingle 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Over here we got material transfer on 4, 5. Got a rip, tear, 6. Got material transfer. 7, we had rips and material. Tear, material. 8, we had a tear, material. Alright, so now we're going to reinstall this new shingle. due to 6 shingles being damaged. Failure. No additional damage was done while we were nailing. Alright. Now I just gotta apply some sealant and we're done, but you can, that's it for the record. That's all we need.